My name is Sara. It has been 3 years, 3 long years, since I last saw my mother. 3 years since I hugged her. 3 years since I kissed her hands goodbye. This morning, I got a call. My mother is very sick. She is in the hospital. The doctor said, "Come as soon as you can." So I came to the airport. I bought my ticket. And I prayed. Please let me reach her in time. At the gate. Okay, gate 14. Passport, phone, bag, ticket. Where's my ticket? No! No! Where is it? My ticket! Where did I put it? I had it! I know I had it! No, please, not now! Excuse me, did you see a boarding pass here? A paper ticket? Please, I think I dropped it.
Sorry. No.
Sir, please help me. I lost my boarding pass.
I'm sorry.
I missed my flight. Or so I thought. Oh, Mother. Mother, I couldn't make it. I lost my ticket. I lost it. I'm sorry. I wanted to see you again. I wanted to hold your hand again. Please forgive me.
My daughter, why are you crying?
I lost my boarding pass. My mother is in the hospital. She is very sick. I haven't seen her in 3 years. This was my flight. I was going home. And now I can't go.
Come with me. Listen to me. Sometimes we think we are lost, but life is only asking us to wait one more minute. Do not lose hope yet. Hope is often closest when everything feels finished.
At the airport office. The narrator walked with Sara to the airport manager's office. Sara wiped her tears, her hands still shaking. Old man to manager.
This young woman lost her boarding pass. Her mother is in the hospital. Can you please check the gate area?
The manager looked up, then opened a drawer. He pulled out a boarding pass.
Is your name Sara? Sara froze.
That's my ticket. That's my ticket. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sara entered the hospital room. Machines beeped softly. Her mother lay weak in bed, eyes closed. Sara walked closer, held her hand. Warm, fragile, familiar. Sara whispering, "Mother, I'm here. I made it. I came back. Mother, you came." "Yes, I'm here. I'm here now. Mother, Sara, you came." That night, Sara learned something she would never forget. Sometimes, one lost ticket can feel like the end of the world. But sometimes, it is only the beginning of a miracle. And sometimes, the person who saves your day is the one no one notices, holding a broom, walking quietly through the airport.
And that brings us to the end of Sara's journey. Today, lose hope when things go wrong.
Never lose hope when things go wrong. Sometimes what looks like the end of the road is only a small obstacle before a happy ending. A lost ticket almost made Sara give up, but kindness, patience, and hope helped her reach her mother just in time. Remember, hope is strongest when life feels hardest, and sometimes one kind person can change everything. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What would you do if you lost your boarding pass at the airport? Have you ever faced a difficult situation that turned out better than expected? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emotional and inspiring English stories. Keep learning English, keep believing in yourself, and never stop hoping. See you in the next story. Goodbye.